Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, you guys could please like this video, leave a comment down below if you can. I really appreciate it. Really helps the channel out, makes our videos more viewable to others that haven't subscribed yet, helps people find our channel to subscribe. So click that subscribe button if you haven't, turn notifications on. And it's Monday morning. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. It was a kind of a longer drive to work. I do live an hour away from work. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes or so to get here today. A little longer than normal. It is about 7 degrees right now in Ferndale. I didn't come to the shop all weekend, so it's the first time I've seen it with this much snow. Very, very, very cold out. It's very cold drive. Almost felt like my heat wasn't on in my truck. But truck did amazing, guys. Love the new truck. It's awesome. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. I got this nice little Del Sol keychain. We're gonna put on the Del Sol keys today. Also, if you guys want a Nitro Autolab license plate frame, get at me. In the shop today, we have the Honda Aero 50 that my mechanic picked up. He got it running, and he's currently putting it together and kind of taking off all the stickers, and he's going to be kind of detailing things up and heat treating it to bring it back to life. So he's probably just going to leave like the patinaed look to it. It's in really good shape, really, for what it is. He's probably going to change the color of the wheels, get rid of that gold. Anyways, what do you guys think about that? Our Ford Windstar, our engine is back in. We are buttoning things up. Intake's on, new water pump's on. Looks like he's got to put the belt on, kind of hook some last minute things up. He's got to put the harness in, battery, stuff like that. We got some new fluids and stuff for the transmission, engine and stuff, coolant system. So today we should be buttoning that up. Luckily the heat was set at 50 all weekend, so walking in it wasn't all that bad. I kicked it up to about 60. So hopefully it will warm up here pretty soon. It's not too bad in here right now. We still have the Integra in here. I'm hoping to get back to this either tomorrow and have it ready to go by the end of the week, because I really want this out of here. I haven't had time to get back to it, but we are going to be finishing the buffing because we did wet sand it after we painted it. So I think tomorrow I should be able to get back to it, and I want to finish this Camaro as well. So after the Camaro's done, I'll get back to that this week and we'll get it out of here. In the spray booth, we have our 2015 Camaro repair that we did. So we refinished the brand new bumper. We refinished the used rocker panel. And we refinished the entire side. Now I'm still getting a little more dust than I want to be inside the spray booth. So I really want to, at some point, work on tightening this thing up. I know I got a filter up there that's poked out, sitting up a little bit. I could be pulling in a little dirt there, but I think I'm pulling in a lot of dirt from the doors. And then I need to get a new new paint suit as well. Probably being this close to the exhaust and the door opening is probably not the best thing. So I think my fender got dirtier than the entire job. But overall, it came out really good, guys. Just a little light dust. Just needs to be cut and polished. No big deal. Just would be nice if I could just pull a job out and just wash it and assemble it and go, you know. But maybe that's the dream. So overall, turned out really good. Car looks amazing. This car looked really bad coming in. So with the new bumper, the new door, new fender, repaired quarter panel, it looks amazing. So really, really, really pumped on how good it came out. It is black, so black kind of shows everything. So today Mikey comes in on Mondays. We're gonna be unmasking this job, assembling the job, getting the bumper on, getting the rocker panel on, getting the door put together. Tomorrow we'll probably finish up the wet sanding and buffing and the detailing aspect of it. And that way Wednesday I can move on to finishing up the Integra. Now we also have the Hyundai Elantra GT bumper here. So we'll probably refinish this week, refinish this week as well. It's got to be white. So as soon as it's white, we'll schedule a customer in. She needs new wheel liners, and she also wants an interior detail as well, a pretty thorough one. So we probably will paint the bumper cover this week, but we probably won't get her in this week. We'll probably have to, I'm thinking schedule her for hopefully next week. We'll see what the weather's like and if the snow clears up. It's just a little tiny car. I think she lives a little ways away, so we don't want her driving in the snow. But we got our wheel liners for the Hyundai Elantra. These are our wheel liners for the front of the Camaro. We got to put those back in today. We also still have our 2017 Nissan Frontier that's got to come in. We got the new mirror right there. I got to do a fender repair and blend on that. I'm hoping to get that in next week as well. So I'm hoping to do the repair on the Frontier next week, as well as install the front bumper cover of the Hyundai. But I'd like to refinish the Hyundai bumper this week. So anyways, guys, booth's working amazing. Car looks amazing. Just a little more dust than I'd want to see in a brand new spray booth. But overall, looks really good, guys. The new Iwata Kiwami spray gun works amazing. It lays out the clear, beautiful. If it weren't for the dust in that job, it would be able to just be assembled and go. So really, really loving this spray gun. So shout out to Mikey again for getting this. It's really gonna help us get some good work out of here. And we do have the PPS system coming for this as well. So we'll convert to PPS on the LPH 400, just like the Kiwami. So here is our old Camaro bumper. You can see it's all cracked and pretty warped from the impact. So we got to take off all the parts off this today. We got a plastic bumper reinforcement there, impact bar. We have fog lights, we have a harness, we have side markers, little brackets, stuff like that. We got a grill we got to remove. So we got to take all those components and install on the new bumper cover. So not too much today, guys. It's really cold out. It's probably not going to be a lot of customers walking in through the door. I think a lot of people were just staying home. I barely saw anybody on the road today, which was nice because it was just a peaceful drive in the morning. But kind of goes to show that most people are going to be staying home. A lot of places are going to be closed. It's really, really cold, no joke. I'm hoping to get to the shop Del Sol at some point, maybe in the next week or two, and get that installed. So maybe next week we'll be working on the install of the core support. But I would also like to be doing some tune-up and maintenance to my new Chevy truck. So we'll see as far as what's higher on the totem pole here. But anyways, not too much today. I'll update you guys later this week, probably with the Camaro. So please like this video, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.